If you are a veteran, first of all, thank you. Thank you for your service and for your help to our country. And in this video, I will show you how you can save thousands by utilizing your privileges as a veteran. There are multiple ways to avail of the VA loan to get help in buying your next home, though you need to meet certain criteria first. For service members, you need to have served at least 90 continuous days for you to meet the active duty service requirements. Whereas veterans, the minimum active duty requirements really depends on when you served. Now, if you don't meet the criteria of eligibility, there are still more ways to qualify, which I will explain in the next video. Here's the main part of the video. What do I even get from using the VA loans? Number one, no down payment required. Yes, you heard that right. Zero down payment. More often than not, you don't need a down payment at all. I've seen houses as much as $1.4 million get loaned for zero down payment. Now, it really depends on the lender, but the VA itself does not require a down payment. Number two, competitively low interest rates. Interest rates for VA home loans are generally about 0.5% lower than conventional loans. VA loans are really flexible, where there is literally no minimum credit score required. Even if you're gone down to the lower 500s, you can still get approved for a VA loan. Now, there are a lot of more benefits to a VA loan, such as no PMI, no loan limit, and even loan modifications if you fall behind on payments. So if you qualify for a VA loan, it's much better to utilize it rather than just let it collect dust. Also, you can even use it multiple times. Look, if you want more tips and tricks in real estate, which can help you save thousands of dollars in yearly payments, subscribe for more information.